muy bueno.
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 Yeah,
Sí,
muy
much.
Thank you so much.
Yes, no problemo. Much easier, huh?
Yeah.
And so we want to make it easy. Safer. You're welcome.
Beep, beep.
Beep, beep. Much better, huh?
Yeah.
See, you can move it in different parts, like you're doing. Gotta go slow, like that. Nice, huh? Bring it close, or spin it. Yep. Nice, Maria. Cinco trips, right? Much more better. Sometimes we gotta try something different, right? Oh, it's so much better for your back. It's so much, like, you can keep working and she's not in your way, so it makes it safer. Yeah. And you can break them down and then put them right back on the cart. Maria, I'll show you. You can put it back on the cart.
Yeah.
Yep, afterwards. Oh, that's awesome. And the other thing is, the box is not on the ground, which is not good. Sometimes it's not clean. So this is a cleaner process. Yeah. That's awesome. That's perfect. And the nice thing, yep, is you can put the boxes right there. Look at that. And you go all the way. That's the bottom, finito. Finito, and then slow, yes? Perfecto.
Mi carro.
Mi caro.
Mi carro.
No, simple. How do you say simple? Easy.
Despacio.
Espacio. Espacio. This is very espacio.
Despacio.
Espacio.
Yeah.
I like.